If you've been wanting to trade crypto on KCX but don't know where to start, this tutorial will take you from a complete beginner to confidently placing your first trades. I'll walk you through everything: account setup, deposits, the different trading interfaces, and step-by-step instructions for executing your first trade. KCEX might look complicated at first, but once you understand the basics, it's actually one of the easiest and most powerful exchanges to use. Most tutorials either skip important steps or assume you already know things beginners don't. That's definitely not going to happen here. And with my exclusive link, you get lower maker and taker fees, plus USDT rewards for verification, learning tasks, basic spot and futures trades, setting TPSL, and linking your X account. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use KCEX and how to claim every bonus available. Now here's why KCEX is one of my top choices for exchanges. KCEX is a trusted and rapidly growing exchange in the crypto industry, designed for both beginners and professional traders, with a core value of users first, security above all. KCEX has one of the lowest fees in the market. This means that your orders will have less costs than other exchanges. They offer fast and simple registration. Here you can start trading in minutes, even without KYC for basic features. KCEX offers a wide range of coins from Bitcoin and Ethereum to hundreds of altcoins to thousands of trading pairs. KCEX also offers multiple trading options such as spot and futures, with high leverage up to 125 times on certain pairs. KCEX also offers an interactive dashboard where you can see the overall crypto market. You can access it through the market option in the navigation bar, where you'll find market sentiment, Bitcoin dominance, liquidations, and market cap data. You can also view tradable assets, public blockchain data, market indices, economic news, ETF inflows and outflows from major institutions, and even smart money fund flows. KCEX combines ease of use, security, diversity, and rewards, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced traders. Now that you know why I like the platform, let's get started. First, click the link in the description. Using this link is crucial to unlock all the exclusive bonuses. You can sign up with your email or phone, or connect via Google or Apple. For this tutorial, I'll use Gmail. Once you're registered, you're inside your KCEX account and ready to start. Bonuses will be unlocked as you complete certain actions, which I'll walk you through. Right after signing up, you can claim your first rewards by completing account verification. That's an easy 2 USDT right there. And if you complete the advanced learning tasks, that's another 2 USDT instantly. Once you're logged in, you can see your main dashboard. Here you can see on top different options. KCEX uses different account types to help you organize your trading. Here's what each of the accounts means. Spot account. This is where your deposits land first. Here you can also buy and sell cryptocurrencies at market prices. It's ideal for holding assets or trading without leverage. Futures account. This is for leverage trading, allowing you to take larger positions than your balance allows. It also unlocks bonus rewards based on your transfers and trading volume. Here you can trade with USDT as margin. This is where you'll earn your futures trading bonuses and daily task rewards. You can also see your P&L analysis, transaction report, and savings record. On KCEX, users can earn up to 5% APY, and users can also withdraw funds anytime that comes with steady returns. On the navigation bar, you can also see the Event Center. In here, you can see the new user rewards, where you can track your new user bonuses and daily task progress. You can also see here deposit for listings and futures trading competition. Now that you know the basics, let's get some money into your account and start claiming bonuses. Click on your profile at the top right, then choose wallets, then click on deposit. On select crypto, choose USTD. USTD is ideal for trading, but Bitcoin or Ethereum works too. When selecting your network, choose the TRC20 network for low fees. You'll see your personal deposit address. Copy it carefully. Then go to your current exchange or wallet, paste the address, and send your crypto. It usually takes 5 to 15 minutes. Pro tip, always send a small test amount first, maybe $10 to $20, and double check that the network matches on both sides. Now here's where the bonuses start to kick in. If you complete a single spot trade with a transaction amount equivalent to more than 200 USDT, you can get 1 USDT spot trading bonus. If you complete a single futures trade with a transaction amount equivalent to more than 2,000 USDT, you can get a 2 USDT bonus, and another 2 USDT bonus if you trigger TP or SL on futures trading. On top of that, KCEX offers reduced fee rates for all your trades, which means you're saving money on every single transaction. The platform checks that you're a legitimate trader, and if you qualify, the bonus will be credited automatically. If you deposited Bitcoin or another crypto but need USDT for trading, here's how to convert it. Go to spot trading by clicking on spot. Search for your pair, for example, BTC/USDT. Select market order, choose sell, enter the amount, and click sell BTC. This instantly converts your Bitcoin to USDT, which then appears in your spot wallet. Now let's move on to what you're waiting for, futures trading. To open futures, click on futures in the main navigation. After clicking futures, it will bring you to the futures dashboard. This is where you'll be doing most of your trading. I'll break down every section so it makes perfect sense. Here's what you'll see on the trading screen. Trading pair selection is at the top left. This is where you choose which crypto to trade, like BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT or any other altcoin. KCEX has hundreds of pairs available. The price chart is in the center. It shows the historical price movement, and you can change the time frame however you like. KCEX uses TradingView charts, which are industry standard. On the right side, you'll find the order book. Red numbers are sell orders and green numbers are buy orders. This shows real-time market depth. The order placement panel is on the far right. This is where you'll place your trades, set leverage, and enter your position size. Finally, at the bottom, there's the positions panel. It shows your active trades, open orders, order history, your trade history, and coin profit and loss. Everything you need is right here on one screen, ready to trade. Before placing any trade, configure 3 important settings. First, choose your margin mode. KCEX offers 2 options: isolated margin. This protects the rest of your account. If the trade goes wrong, you only lose what you put into that specific position. Cross margin mode, all positions share the same margin balance. In the event of liquidation, traders may risk losing the full margin balance along with any open positions. For beginners, always use isolated margin to protect your account. Second, set your leverage. KCEX allows high leverage up to 125 times on certain pairs, but do not use high leverage as a beginner. Stick to 5 times to 10 times maximum. Here's how it works. For example, if you have a $10 balance with 5 times leverage, you get $50 in position buying power. This means you're controlling $50 worth of Bitcoin with only $10 of your own money. Higher leverage means higher risk. Your liquidation price gets closer to your entry, so one wrong move can wipe out your position. For this example, I'm using 5 times leverage on isolated margin. Let's place a long trade. Betting Bitcoin will go up. Choose market order so it executes instantly. You'll see order entry options. Order by quantity. Quantity of the futures position with leverage applied. This can be denominated in BTC and USDT. Order by cost. The cost here is not affected by leverage. For this tutorial, I'll use order by quantity in USDT because it makes position sizing easier. Set your position size. For example, a $50 position. With 5 times leverage, that's $10 of your own capital. Always set stop loss and take profit. This is non-negotiable. Click TP SL to open the settings. Set your stop loss at a price where you lose $2 and your take profit at a price where you'd gain $6, a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Once everything is set, click Open Long. Your trade is now live. You'll see it in the Positions panel, your entry price, current P&L, and liquidation price. To short the markets, just choose Open Short instead of Long. Same process, but you're betting the price will go down. And remember, your futures trading volume helps unlock bonuses like the 2 USDT futures trade-in bonus and the 2 USDT TP SL experience bonus. So definitely don't miss it. As your trade moves in your favor, adjust your stop loss to secure profits. Once you're up a few dollars, move your stop loss to break even. You can also increase or reduce your position while it's active using the Add/Reduce buttons. To close, Let TP or SL close it automatically. Close manually with the close button. Close a percentage of the position if you want to take partial profits. Adjust TPSL directly on the chart by dragging the lines. Pro tip, don't get greedy. If you hit your take profit target, close the trade. The market will always give you another opportunity. Before we wrap up, here are essential rules when trading. Start with small position sizes. Don't risk more than 2 to 5% per trade to keep your capital intact. Always use stop losses. This is non-negotiable when doing trading. Every single trade needs a stop loss before you enter. Keep a trading journal. Write down every single trade you take. Entry price, exit price, why you took it, what you learn. This is how you improve. Never chase pumps. If you missed a move, wait for the next setup. FOMO is the fastest way to lose money. And lastly, never risk more than you can afford to lose. Trading is a skill that can give you freedom, but it can also become risky. It takes repetition and discipline. All right, so that's the full breakdown of how to trade futures on KCEX, from signing up to depositing to opening and managing your first trade. Before you go, remember, use my link in the description to claim all the bonuses. Start small, focus on learning, and don't chase profits at first. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.